Come, let us spill this already spilled juice. And we are going to talk about Umkhokha The Curse. Guys, we know that Umkhokha The Curse, the Gumede family has been struck by Umkhokha, right? However, there is a narrative around another person passing away this recently on this month's teaser. On this month's teaser, it says the Umkhokha hits the Gumede household, and the Mtembus and the Gumetes, they mourn together. So now I thought initially we were all thinking Uguti Mabusi. Now rumor has it on the Twitter streets known as X.com that Uzodwa is going to be the one that leaves, because Uzodwa is leaving the storyline, right? She has resigned, or she is leaving Umkhokha. So now it means Uguti she's the one that is going, not necessarily Umabusi. If the storyline goes that direction, I am not happy still, but I'm happy that Umabusi is not going. I'm just sad for Phakathi Uguti. He will forever be depressed and stuck. No Zodwa. No Tenjiwe. So is this farewell to Uzodwa, the Zodwa character? Are we seeing the Zodwa character for the last time this month? Please do like, share, and subscribe.